Love, Nanay and Claire. Hello, KaFam. This is Nanay and this is Claire. And welcome to my channel.
Isang araw, isang pahina ng aming
buhay! Say buhay,
buhay, buhay, buhay.
Today's video, Christmas picture at home!
Kasi wala nga tayong Christmas party from her school dahil bawal pa. Pero, ang kanyang school ay nag-conduct ng isang photo liking ngayong Christmas season.
Yes, Christmas season!
And it's called Genius at Work!
Genius at Work!
Ang school nga kasi ni Claire is Iloilo Genius Montessori. Ay, tama ba? Ulit. Iloilo. Ay, no. Ilo.
Ilo?
Inner una. Ay, nakuliwat. Okay, ganito. Inner Genius Montessori School. Iloilo. Yun yan. Then, tawag kasi sa kanila mga little geniuses sa school nila. Kailangan nilang i-present yung personality nila sa photoshoot nila. Since mahilig siya sa art, una naming naisip is maging painter siya sa kanyang picture. Magaling din kasi si Claire lalo humarap sa camera eh. Kaya naisipan namin na i-combine yung love niya sa art at the same time yung love niya sa vlogging. Yes, vlogging. Kaya Claire, you like to vlog? Siya talagang may pakana ng vlogging na ito eh.
And vlogging so much!
So, hopefully magawa namin ng tama. Okay?
Yes, okay!
Are you ready?
Yes!
Ready?
Yeah, ready!
Ready. Halip po kayo, samahan niyo po kami sa aming DIY Christmas Pictorial at Home!
Yeah, but... Oh!
Where are you?
Oh, look that, Nanay. What's that?
It's sile! Ayan o, anghang na sile o.
Huh?
This one?
Yes? Welcome our operation!
Yes! Ipiprepare na namin ang aming props ni Claire Lalu. So, ang goal namin is to spend less. Kaya ang aming nagastos lamang ay itong crepe paper, 2 peraso. The color of Christmas.
Red, and green.
So, yung message ng kanilang Genius at Work this December is to show that our little geniuses can still do something kahit naka-quarantine ngayong Christmas season. Kailangan namin ipakita yung Christmas in the Philippines as well as yung mga genius works ng ating mga little geniuses.
Yes, little geniuses.
Kung naghahanap kayo ng school sa mga little geniuses nyo, you can check out Inner Genius Montessori School Iloilo. They are located in Tabok-Suba, Haro, Iloilo City. This is their link down below sa description na lang in Facebook. You can check them out. So we are going to do traditional ornaments ng mga Pinoy tuwing Christmas. Alam niyo na siguro ito, kaya let's start! This is how you do it, Kettle.
I don't know what is you make.
Yeah, it's surprise!
Secret? Can you show me? This is our material.
Yes! All we need to have is crepe paper, the funnel, the cup, the sandok, the scissors, and yung ice candy na wrapper, and then tray, and of course our water. One more. Can you see?
Yes, you're correct, Nanay.
Our water is turning into green and red. Is it amazing?
Yes, that's the magic. Yes, the genius. Honey.
Okay, Claire, this is a very old technique na. Ngayon ko lang talaga na ituro kay Claire. Claire, o diba? Na-amaze ang ating mga little geniuses there. magic!
It's time to Jason!
Yes! At gagamitin lang namin ni Clara Lu kung ano yung mga andito niyang damit. At dahil vlogger or creative vlogger siya, something colorful. I-mix lang natin ang lahat ng mga colors and everything. Are you ready, Kiki?
Yes? What do you think, KaFam? Thank you so much. Thank you, Nanay. Still amazing, KaFam. Still nice.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you sure ready?
I'm doing vlogger.
Okay.
Goodbye, KaFam, to Nanay Claire. Watch our videos and click the bell button to watch Nanay Claire. And don't forget to love Nanay